Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to add or edit events in the calendar. For instance, let's consider a scenario where the clinic's regular working hours are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. But for the next month, let's consider the Ramadan. There is a change and you'll be working from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. additionally. So in this case, we have to add an event which will increase the timing. So here is how you can add this event for everyone. Navigate to the calendar, clinic calendar, and choose the start date. So there is an event which is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I'm going to add an additional event from 10 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. and 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Go to the desired date and double click on that particular date. Here you can enter the event details, enter the title. I'm going to give it as working. Select the type, whether it is working or week off, like that. I'm going to select working, and this will be the start date. If you want to give the event for whole day, you can select all day. So if you want to add this event for particular timing, you can click on this plus icon and you can add the slots. I'm going to give the from time as 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Additionally, 10 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. Select the series. So this will be for 1 month, that is from March 10th to April 10th. So this will be till April 10th and click on save. Now this event has been added. So you can come to the agenda and you can also view the event here. Let me show you in the scheduler how it will reflect. So here we can see that from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. this slot will be open to book appointments, and this is the normal working hours which was already there, and we have the slots open from 10 p.m. to 12, that is 11:59 p.m. So this is how you have to add an event in the scheduler. Thanks for watching.